Hello and welcome back to Alyena's kitchen, where I'm actually not in my kitchen today. I am in beautiful Point Dume, Malibu, and we are going to be making an amazing blueberry mojito. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do to make our blueberry mojito is muddle your ingredients. I have half a cup of blueberries that I am putting in. And you can either use fresh or frozen blueberries, but I always prefer to use fresh because it's a lot easier to muddle them together. Ooh, oh no! Some blueberries are escaping. We'll pop them back in. I'm also adding in the juice of 1 lime. This is about 1 ounce of lime juice, if you want to measure it out, but I'm just winging it today on the lime. Along with some fresh mint. You can add anywhere between 5 to 10 leaves of mint. It's up to you. I always think more mint is better. And now we can just muddle this all together. Now that our mixture is very much muddled together and it has such a beautiful, vibrant, purpley color, which will make our drink really pretty, we can add in a few more ingredients. If you are making this a mocktail, skip this step, but if you want to make it boozy like I am today, you can add in 2 ounces of white rum. And I like to measure things. I want to know how boozy I'm making it. There we go. Along with 1 ounce of simple syrup. And I recommend make your simple syrup at home. It's so easy to make. You just do a 1-to-1 ratio of sugar to water. So 1 cup of sugar to 1 cup of water, and you just simmer it down until the sugar is completely dissolved. And this is my recommendation because I used to not like my drinks as sweet, so I would add half the sugar and more water. And a bartender actually told me that changes the consistency of your drink. So it is really important to keep that 1-to-1 ratio. So if you don't like your drink as sweet, just add less simple syrup. That's my tip of the day. Now I'm going to take my cocktail mixture and pour it in my shaker, and I've also filled my shaker up with some ice. And we're just going to want to shake this all together until it's completely combined, and act like a real bartender while we do it. Ooh, now that is cold. And now it's almost time to drink our drink, my favorite part. And I actually have some Artisan ice cubes that my mom made. So we just took our ice cubes, but we also froze some mint in there along with some blueberries and cherries. So as they melt, I'll get some fruit in my drink, and they're also really pretty. I like to strain my drink like this because I don't like all the pulp in it, but if you want a little chunkier drink, you can add it all in. That one's up to you. Now, look at that stunning color, but we're not done yet. I like to top my cocktail, some Pellegrino, because I like a little sparkle to my cocktail. All right, and we can stir our drink all together so everything's combined. I am absolutely obsessed with the color of this. I think it's so pretty. But a very important part of making a cocktail is garnishing it, I think. So I'm actually going to add a slice of lime without knocking over my table as I cut my lime. Ooh, it's a little precarious, this setup. Put this on here, along with some more fresh mint, because can you really get enough mint? And now the best part, getting to taste our cocktail. That is so good. It's so light and refreshing, and the flavor from the blueberries is so yummy. I absolutely love this drink, especially for summertime. I think it's just so perfect. So please let me know if you like this drink and try it in the comments down below. Also, if you want to see more of my Malibu series where I am making cocktails on the beach, there should be a playlist right here or over here. And I also have some playlists of when I was in Maui and the Bahamas with some other cocktails that you can check out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!